Welcome back, guys. This is Daniel again with Rhinehart Equipment here in Rome, Georgia. Got another fine used machine here to show you. This one is a 2011 Bobcat 325. Just some short highlights of the machine. This one's got the tag manufacturing quick coupler, single pin design, curl your bucket out, swap buckets within seconds. We'll go around in the machine, give you some specs on the engine. This one has the Kubota diesel as well. It being a 2011, this machine is a 27.5 horse machine. Plenty of muscle to get your major jobs done, but also a compact package you can tote around with a normal size truck. We'll hop on it, give you a good sound bite of the engine, how this machine performs. All right, got it started up there, guys. We're gonna lift the loader arm. This machine really smooth, guys. This machine only has 1,700 hours. It's a 2011. Did not have a very hard life. Local trade-in here at our store. This machine has been gone through meticulously by our technicians. We'll go ahead and drive this machine for you. It's a great little running machine. Guys, stay tuned for updates with the channel. Make sure you subscribe, share the video, comment if you like. We're going to be pumping out videos like this all through the rest of the year, so stay tuned. Thanks again.